Hi friends and my followers. Today's topic is introduction of Python. Now, I want to discuss about the definition of Python programming language. Python is a general purpose interpreted interactive object oriented and high level programming language. Now I want to discuss about the each and every word which I have already told in the definitions. Firstly, I want to discuss about the programming and language. Programming means what is program? Program means set of instructions, and language means which have a particular grammar. Means I have to throw that set of instructions which is following a particular grammar. Next video we will discuss about the syntactical part of the Python programming language. Next point is Python is a high level programming language. What is high level programming language? High level programming language means which that programming language which is belongs in the third generation programming language. First generation programming language show us the machine level language. Second generation programming language shows us a assembly level language, and third generation programming language is shows us which that the human being can understand, means it's a English language. Now we will discuss about the Python is a object oriented programming language. Means Python supports object oriented style of programming that encapsulates code within objects. Now I will discuss about what is object. Object means which we can touch and we can feel. That means which have a particular behavior and a particular properties. Using the Python programming language, we can make lots of objects which have a same behavior and properties. That's why we can tell that the Python is a object oriented programming language. Now the next point is the Python is a interactive programming language. Before that, we will discuss about the what is interpreter. Interpreter is a translator which we can translate the program to the machine level language. Means we can translate my source code to the machine level language through the interpreter. Interpreter will read one by one instruction and it will convert the machine level language. Now Python is an interactive programming language, means you can actually sit a Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write your program. The next point is the Python is the interpreted programming language, means Python is proceeded at runtime by the interpreter, means you do not need to compile your program before executing it. Like C, C++, you have to compile your program first and after that it will execute it. We will discuss about the applications of Python. Python is very easy to learn because it has a few keywords, simple structure and a clearly defined syntax. That's why it's very easy to learn, so obviously it's easy to read also. And Python programming language is easy to maintain. Python source code is fairly easy to maintain, and it has a broad standard libraries, because Python libraries are very portable and cross-platform compatibility on Unix, Windows. And I have already discussed about the Python as an interactive mode, and it's a portable programming language, and it's a extendable programming language. What is extendable programming language? You can add low level modules to the Python interpreter, and this module enable programmers to add or customize their tools to be more efficient. And Python has a very commercial database, and it's a major database, and it will provide a graphical user interface programming language, and Python supports that graphical user interface applications, and it creates and portable to the many system calls, libraries, and Windows systems, and it has a scalable functions. Means Python provides a better structures and supports for the large programs than shell scripting, so that we can understand that the Python programming language is very helpful programming language, and it can provide interfaces to all major commercial databases. So from the next video I will show you that how to write Python programs in Python shell. If you like this video, please press the like button below, and for getting the more videos, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask me in this comment box, and I will give the answer in this comment box. Thank you.